This is a teardown of an Actiontec T3200 modem, DSL modem. Technically people use modem a lot for stuff that aren't modems, but in this case this is a modem. I think really the only time it's not a modem is if it's fiber related, because then I think that's an ONU or an ONT, I forget which one it is. But let's see if we can get this base off. Well, I don't know. I got those two screws out. And there's a good chance this is gonna bounce off the floor real hard. Plus I'm on concrete. No carpet. Hit myself in the aim. Huh. Looks like those bottom screws don't do anything. Oh wait, no they do. These tabs went through there. Weird. So this does wireless and wired networking. Let's see if I can figure this out. I wonder if this side pops out. I see these weird things here. I don't understand what that's about. I also see a clip here. I think it's attached to something. Close my eyes since I don't have my safety glasses on. Oh wow. So I wasn't expecting a giant aluminum plate on the back. A lot of void space here too. So apparently the phone line input is on its own separate board. It screws all the way through the main PCB. I suspect those nuts are captive inside the PCB. Yeah, so they're soldered into the board. I imagine those are grounding points as well. And this has pins that pass through. Oh man, there's a lot of pins. So those chips must do something though. Also, good thing I didn't save this because it was fried. I think the light's working against me at the moment. And nope, we're not going to focus. Come on, focus. Right there. C648 is corroded looking. Oh, I just actually pulled it off trying to clean it with my fingertip. Yeah, there's some other surface mount stuff that got corroded. I think this got water damaged. You can see there's some stuff there too that don't look quite right. Let's see if we can read those chips. Well, you can read the one on the right. I think the one on the left is the same. Oh, it's a Broadcom chip. BCM 8303. Didn't know Broadcom did modem stuff. I mean, they do networking, so I guess shouldn't be too surprised. So now let's see if we can get this apart. Yep. Oh, I was not expecting that. So this aluminum plate is captive in the plastic housing. It's plastic welded into place, basically riveted. Or plastic riveted, I suppose would be the right word. These were pins that were poking up through, and then they either ultrasonic or heated them to smash them down like that, I believe. Probably heat. I think they use ultrasonic to weld stuff together, not to smush it down. But I'm probably wrong. And they feed all the antennas through everywhere, and same deal. These are kind stuck down on plastic pegs. Alright, let's see if I can get this off. So yeah, multiple antenna wires. I imagine this works pretty decent as a wireless access point before it got wet. Just 4 antennae. And then this, I pry it just right. I'm not gonna do that in video, it's gonna take too long. But you can see I can just pry that out. Here's the main PCB. Got a bunch of cans. Broadcom. Not a shock. Some thermal pads behind nothing. It's funny. That spot's not populated. Not sure. It looks like this might have had functionality for an SFP connector, maybe? I don't know. Can I pop those cans? I sure can. Get rid of this piece of aluminum. Unscrew this heatsink. These full of cobwebs. Imagine mine is too. The heatsink is for stuff in the cans. I would assume those are for wireless because they're near the wireless antennas. Not trying hard enough. There we go. So it looks like that's probably the brains of the operation, I would guess. Or at minimum, it's the networking. It's a Broadcom BCM 63138 VKF SBG. And let's see if I can tell what that memory is. It's Micron. Probably can read that. Got another Broadcom chip over here, which is probably controlling the wireless. I don't think I'm able to get that on camera. It's really faint. Yeah, I can't even read it myself. I would assume that these chips have something to do with controlling the wireless signals, because they're near the connection points for the antennas, or at least they're near the antennas. Where'd the connection points go? It's odd. Oh. There's 2 right there. There's 2 right there. They're just hard to see. Oh, there's a 5th one. Then on this side, we got some Micron flash memory. I'm not sure what this chip does. This chip could also be the brains. Try no flashlight. I don't think that's going to work. Let's see if I can read it with my own eyes. Quantenna, I guess. So it looks like Quantenna. Oh god, I can't read the part number. It's too small and faintly engraved. Also, hopefully the audio is okay because I'm standing a little further away from the phone all of a sudden. I wonder if I can rub some dirty dust into it. Find some dust that's the right color. Just rub it in there. No, it's not. Oops. Looks like QT3840BC potentially. It's the best I can hope for. I wonder if maybe I can rub a thermal pad over it. Thermal pad might be the right color. No. Sometimes with that writing, if you rub it with the right material. So I might be able to read that better than I can. Another Quantenna chip. I'm not even going to try to read that. I think you might be able to in the video. These chips are so hard to read sometimes. Oh, actually, I can read that one a lot easier. Looks like it's QT2158B. But yeah, I'm just looking at these traces where they're going. See if I can guesstimate. I'm not sure what's doing what, but interesting. It's red PCB. Don't see that too often. But otherwise, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.